Welcome to the third video of the affiliate marketing series where I'm going to tell you that what is the content means. At the last video you could have seen that the third step was that you have to promote your product. How you're going to promote it, that I'm going to tell you in this video. So what is the content? Content means whatever you are writing. It may be your Facebook post, Instagram post, your blogging post. Everything depends on the particular content, that how you are going to write a content, and the particular content that will fetch more revenue through your affiliate link. Now let's get started. The first thing is that you can create is the top 10 list. Top 10 list type. Suppose top 10 Bollywood songs. Top 10 Bollywood songs. So this is a very popular content you can create. Suppose you are going to write a blog and the title of the blog will be top 10 smartphones in India. People are more likely to search these particular lines in buying particular product. Now regarding content, one thing I must tell, there are two types of content. One is the trending content and one is the evergreen content. Trending content means those content which is very much popular at that particular moment of time. For example, now COVID-19 is very much has a great trend in India across the world. So content regarding COVID-19 is more relevant. But after few years, when COVID-19 will not be there, after few days when it will not be there, then that COVID-19 content will not be useful. So it is a trending content which will fetch results during a particular moment of time. That comes to evergreen content. Evergreen content means top 10 smartphones of all times. It is a evergreen content. It is today also it is okay, and the next upcoming days also people are likely to search for it. Then types of content is there, which is basically the top 10 list. It is a evergreen content. They are very popular. You can easily do it. For example, if you are making a list of Bollywood music CD in India, you could give the top 10 Bollywood evergreen songs, top 10 songs of Bollywood. Then it is a evergreen content. The second type of content is product A versus product B categorization. Suppose you are going to compare two products, you can give those particular content as well, because people search best phone between Samsung and Xiaomi. So you can use a particular content title as well. Product A versus product B, differentiation type of content. Then it comes to best product under XYZ INR. Means I have a tendency to always, if I want to buy a phone, I will search for best phones under 10,000. So if I have a blog that shows that best phones under 10,000, then the blog listing will come at the top of the search results, and user will click on the particular link and will read your blog and will eventually purchase from it. So there are the types by help of which you can write your content, types of content. Then how to use the content. That suppose I have a phone, suppose I have a laptop, I purchase a new one, I am unboxing it, or I'm letting people know that how to use it, what are the features, what are the specifications. I'm making videos, I'm writing in my blogs. So it is how to use basically. If you're going to do how to use, then these are the four types of things by help of which you can write your content. You can blogs title can be, you can customize like this. Missed top 10 list of anything. Second thing is that product A versus product B categorization. Third thing is best products under XYZ INR, best products under $10, best product under $15. Then and it is how to use, means how you're going to use a particular product. Suppose if I write how to use a mixer grinder, and if a blog is there how to use mixer grinder with the title, then uh, I am more likely to click on the particular link and to see the particular blog, and eventually I can purchase the particular product as well. So how to use is also equally very much important. I hope that you like this video. If you have any doubt regarding affiliate marketing or digital marketing or any sort of internet studies, then you can follow me on my Instagram account, and I'm going to help you over there free of cost. Thank you. Have a great day.